sum of money 80 billion for company digital. Pilot account is cash in bank in the bank and Joko capital in credit. Okay, next secondly is write a title according to the financial transaction that have been collected. So write in her risky daya workshop. Make the column using ruler in her. So make a column. Okay, the column like this. Next, label the column by writing date. Next, enter the column date both up. Next, enter date in the column date. So 2022 October and 1st, and column description and relate account enter in the column description. So cash in bank and Joko capital. And enter the amount on the column debit and credit. So cash in bank in the value 18 billion and Joko capital and credit 80 million. Finish? We make a column horizontal in here. Next, do the sum in the next transaction. So 21st, pilot account is at first leasing expense and cash in bank. Amount is 1,100,000. And make the line horizontal in here. Okay, and the last step is sum up the debit and credit amount. But the column should be the same in total or balance. And we close with the horizontal line in here. Finish. Okay, this is a step by step to making a general